Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Mom.
Today is what, Kuya?
Birthday.
Monday. Today is Monday, October 16. And it's the first day of school after 2 weeks school holiday ni Kuya. So, and today also, I will be walking TJ to school from now on. Kasi yung nakikita niyo sundo kay TJ, I think nasa isa ko siyang vlog. Nag-move na sila, guys. They moved to a new house. So, and then Jan is working. So, yeah, I'm the one gonna walk TJ to school kasi malapit siya, so we don't need to drive. And also the weather is getting better here in Australia kasi spring na siya. And yeah. So I'm just gonna make Kuya and Sak's breakfast and TJ's snacks and lunch for school. So yeah. Yes. Nakagawa ng ni Kuya ng baon niya. I-check natin si Holly or kaya gisingin na natin siya kasi malilate na si teacher sa school. Holly! Good morning! Holly! Good morning, baby! Hi! Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Boo! Boo! Hi! Come on, Baba. Let's go. Oh, halik, Mommy. Where's Mommy's halik? Let's go. Let's go say Kuya. Halik, Mommy. Come on. Up. 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 Come on. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Flying kiss? Flying kiss? Flying kiss, Papa? See, Mommy, I just woke up. Okay, come on, up. Oops. Yeah. Up, come on. Yeah. Oh, good morning. Yeah. Is that? Later, Kuya. I'll give her something. Good morning! Good morning, Kuya. I will change her nappy first. Yeah, I got your fruits here. Here. Ayun no. Ayan no.
I didn't want biscuit.
Oh, okay. Do you want Cocoa Pops? Hey, Sak, do you want Cocoa Pops?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay, they're just having fruits.
No, there's no more.
Smiley fruits, yeah.
There's no more.
You already had one. Okay, we're gonna get ready now, okay? We'll change Holly's nappy and clothes and give her something to eat. And we're going. You want this? Yeah, it's so sunny outside. Oops. Yeah. Whoops. Okay, no. Oh, you don't want it? Let's go. Let's go. We're going. Oops. Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go, broom, broom. Let's go walk pala. Ayan si Holly. You're so pretty.
Mom, look.
What do you think? What do you think, boys?
I want to bring more. Yes.
Hi everyone! We are going to walk. Oh, not you. You will be in the pram. Yes, Kuya. Let's go.
My class is in the AMRO.
Yeah. Let's go, Kuya.
Can I get my glasses out that I'm not
No, you don't need the sunglasses, Kuya. I'm just gonna prepare your Oh, I'll get your papa. Okay. You're coming with me then.
I'll bring my helmet.
Oh, are you gonna ride your bike?
Oh, you know what?
No, you can't because.
I don't. Mom, can you walk me back to school? Mom, I'm not back to school.
No, you can't, Kuya, because I cannot bring your bike because I have the pram to push.
No, I can ride my bike.
Wait, I'm just.
Biscuit Bella. Sit down. What's this? Maybe I don't. I want to come. Now I really want to have my bike. Mom, can I have my bike? Mom.
I said you can't, Kuya,
No,
because.
there's a thing for bikes. Mom, there's things for bikes.
No, you
take
can't,
bikes
Kuya.
to work. Nah, you can walk me back home.
No, I can't bring your bike.
There's a look.
Come on, Holly.
Mom, she keeps touching it. It's alright. Come on. I'm touching it. In case she's gonna drop that. Wait, where's my bike? Where's my bike? Up there?
DJ, where's your.
No, my bike's got wet. Mom, my bike got wet. Why can't I ride my bike and Zach
I
ride?
already told you.
When it's very big, you can ride
And
your
you
bike.
have to listen to me too.
Be careful.
What's going on here?
Oh, that just done that.
And you have to listen to mommy, okay?
I can. Straight ahead, straight ahead. I'm the leader because I know what.
Okay. No fun, okay.
Dad, I'm the leader. 'Cause I know.
Follow Kuya. We are walking now, guys, sa school ni Kuya. Time check is 8:30, so tingnan natin kung ilang minutes ang tatahakin namin from our house to TJ's school. So si Zach nagbabike. Hi, Zach! Yan siya.
We got a bike. Wow.
You be careful.
That's
Yeah, so stay on this side.
have to come up here.
It's alright.
Daddy, that's hard.
Come on.
See? Oh. Hey, Mom.
May kasyang nakita kay mom. Good boy, Zach.
I'm the leader.
Keep walking, keep biking, Zach.
I don't so fast.
Yeah.
Mom.
How are you so far, Holly? She's enjoying it. Okay. Keep moving, boys. I said Kuya. It's alright. We're on the side. School bus. No, you're not. Is this you walk Kuya to go to school with Kobe? Siya ang nagsasabi kung saan kami kung anong side kami dapat mag-walk papunta sa school niya. So you have, yeah. Oh, the crossing is over. Okay, you stop. Okay. Oh, kasi ito yung, yep. This is the line. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Stop. Wait for mom. Stop. Stop. There's a car.
No, they can stop there. They stop there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, cross.
Oh,
Okay.
whoa, nice is on the wall. Stop.
See you. See you,
Mom,
Kuya.
there's a shortcut.
See ya.
Mom, why is there a shortcut here?
You have fun? Going now, Zach. Quick, come on. Not for me. Oh,
Yeah,
thank
one
you.
for Holly, one for me. Three for Holly, three for you.
Oh, Holly, Kuya wants us to have one flower. Don't eat cake. No eating. Okay, let's go.
Holly, I said say thank you.
Yes, she said thank you to yourself.
Whoa! Holly's so heavy. Push on. Push. There. Holly's on the glass.
Thank you.
My hand is so dirty. I don't wash my hands.
Yeah, you have to wash it. Binigyan ako ni Sak ng flowers. Saka si Holly.
Oh,
Careful out. We're back.
Holly ate a flower.
Did she get it? Oh, she did it. Look at her flowers there.
Oh, nothing.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
How about you, Holly? Did you have
Oh,
fun?
I have two.
Ah, okay. Here. Dalawa daw kay Holly.
Here, Mom.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Zach.
Like this. I do.
So, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
We're home, guys. Thank you for walking with us. I think I'm gonna close my vlog now.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We joined the swimming. Bye.
Yeah, today is the first day of swimming lessons of Holly for spring. So, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog there kasi maraming mommies, babies na magsiswimming with us. So, napaka-comfortable naman siguro kung mag-film ang respeto naman sa kanila, diba? So, and the boys' swimming lessons will be tomorrow after school. Sabay sila, guys. So, yun, guys. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. So, see you on my next vlog. Thank you.